Google Bard can understand and process images through Gemini technology. In the previous tutorial, we have seen how can we upload an image to Bard, so he can describe it to us. In this tutorial, we will delve into advanced examples and concepts about Bard's image processing capabilities. First, we want to do comparison between two images. However, we can't upload the two images to the same prompt. When we try to upload the second image, it will replace the first one. So we have to find an alternative solution. We can provide multiple web links as URLs, or we can do the following. We will upload the first image and ask Bard to memorize it as follows. This is picture 1. Please keep it in your mind. Then, this is picture 2. Please compare it with picture 1 and highlight the similarities and differences. Now, Bard can compare the two images and find the similarities and differences. As you can see, the second scenario would be to ask Bard to compare between two products in one image and make a comparison between them, and then advise us on which one to buy. As you can see, Bard can find the two devices' names in the image, and then fetch data related to them. And after that, analyze the data, and finally advise us on which one to buy, based on what we want tow device for. Professional use or to use it for simple tasks as a student. The third scenario would be, if we have a picture of a product but we don't know its name and where to buy it for cheap. As you can see, Bard will identify the product and not only tell us where to buy it for cheap price, but it also tries to fetch the cheapest offers online. The fourth case use will be using Bard for production and manufacturing. We will ask Bard to analyze a shoe and tell us what materials was used to produce that product. The following is a picture of a shoe. Could you please analyze it and tell of what materials it is made from? As you can see, Bard generates a detailed list of the materials used to produce that shoe. The last, yet one of the important tasks that we can use Bard, is to ask Bard to analyze financial chart graphs and suggest some financial advice. Let's start by asking Bard to memorize crude oil price chart for the last 30 days as follows. This is the market data graph for crude oil for the last 30 days. Keep it in your memory. Then compare it to natural gas price graph and determine which one is more volatile as follows. This is the market data graph for natural gas for the last 30 days. Compare it with the previously stored crude oil data and tell which is more volatile. In this case, Bard will analyze and produce a deep data comparison table. However, we were looking for much simple answer. Therefore, we can add a follow-up question. But which one is more volatile in those 30 days? There we go. Now we have a simple yet a clear idea of which asset was volatile by looking at relative volatility indicator. That's it for today. More advanced tutorials will be followed soon. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell to not miss anything. Bye for now, and see you later.